Listen up, cucumbers. What's up guys, it's Katie Austin here and welcome back to my channel. I have had cucumbers in my refrigerator for a little bit now and I'm like, what the heckity do I do with them? Usually I buy cucumbers at the grocery store and they just sit in my fridge until they go bad and they just get forgotten about. So I want to show you guys 3 different recipes that you guys can use with a cucumber. So first up, I'm going to show you guys how I make a watermelon cucumber margarita. We are actually going to blend it as well to make it really good. Then next up, I want to show you guys how to make a cucumber mint salad. And you're gonna want to stay tuned because it's not your average cucumber salad. There's going to be something special to it. Then last but not least, I want to show you a quick snack that y'all can make using cucumbers. It's going to be with deli meat as well, and it's something that I love to snack on, or if I make enough of it, have for lunch. And you guys can meal prep it. So let's get into cucumber recipes. So first up, we are starting with the margarita. This is perfect for summer. If you guys hanging by the pool or if you guys want to really just make some cute cocktails when your friends are coming over. I'm gonna chop up, it really doesn't matter how you chop it because these cucumbers are actually gonna be blended. So you can be messy with your chops. I'm only gonna use half the cucumber. Then take some watermelon, and this watermelon looks extra ripe. Something about watermelon, cucumber, and mint in the summer. I feel like those are like my 3 favorite ingredients to put in so many different things. So I'm going to do, that's about half a cucumber and then a half a cup of watermelon. And I'm actually just gonna throw it in a blender really fast. This is kind of a tiny blender, but look how freaking cute this is. Yum, literal perfection. I'm gonna take this. It is the cucumber watermelon mixture, and I'm gonna place this mixture in my shaker. As you can see, there's still chunks, a little bit of the cucumber and watermelon. Don't worry, we're not gonna be using that. Then I'm gonna cut 2 limes and squeeze them on in. Just by the way, I'm not actually adding any agave in this. It's gonna be a skinny margarita, but at the same time, watermelon has that natural sweetness, so it really is not gonna need it. But if you wanna make it just a little sweeter, you guys can always add agave. Then I'm gonna throw some ice in the shaker. Of course, we can't forget a shot of tequila. Honestly, how much I'm using, this needs 2 shots of tequila. But it's around 11 a.m. while I'm filming this, so your girl doesn't need too much tequila, but I would use 2 shots of tequila. I'm gonna shake this on up. I'm just gonna pour this on in here. Then I am just cutting a lime for garnish right here. And usually I would salt the rim, but to be honest, I haven't been a salt fan lately. So here is a cucumber watermelon margarita. Let's taste it. Oh, that is so fresh. My goodness, that is delicious. So all it is seriously watermelon, cucumber, lime juice, and tequila. Super simple, a 4-ingredient marg for summer. Cheers, you guys. Okay, the next thing that we are making is a cucumber snack. And I love to have this, midday when I need a little energy boost. And it's only 4 ingredients, you guys. Plus, every single ingredient is packed with great nutrients. You're gonna need a cucumber, of course, either Greek yogurt or cream cheese. Cream cheese honestly tastes a little bit better, but Greek yogurt is still amazing. Then a little bit of turkey, some deli meat that I love to do low sodium. And then last but not least, everything but the bagel seasoning. Only takes 4 ingredients, so let's get started. I'm gonna start by cutting this cucumber. Pause for the reference. Hopefully everyone understood that, and hopefully everyone knows that is not how I cut a cucumber. So I'm gonna chop this cucumber into small circles. Only a half a cucumber is really needed. Perfect. Also, this recipe is not only a great snack, but it also serves as a really pretty appetizer if you guys are doing like a girls' brunch or something. I feel like it's a really great daytime appetizer and it's super easy to make. So all I'm gonna do, put a little bit of Greek yogurt or that cream cheese on each cucumber. I'm just using my hands here. It gets a little messy. Just make sure you wash your hands beforehand. All right, perfect. Now, quickly wash your hands. Then take your turkey, put a little bit of that deli meat on top of the cucumber and yogurt. So you're getting a good source of protein with both the Greek yogurt and probiotic with the Greek yogurt, and a great source of protein also with the turkey. So cucumber is a great source of vitamin C, magnesium, vitamin K. It also is low in calories and, believe it or not, has a little bit of protein in it as well. Last but not least, again, a little bit of this everything but the bagel seasoning. Nice flavor, and boom, a 4-ingredient snack with cucumber. Now let's taste it. That is so good. It tastes so fresh. It tastes really healthy too. And it's so easy to make. Again, 4-ingredient snack using cucumber, and now time for the last recipe. Okay, so you've made a cucumber salad before, probably, but I want to show you how I want to make this cucumber salad, how it's different than the one you see on my website, either recently or maybe anything you've seen online. So what I'm actually going to do is take a grater, and you want the thicker side of the grater. I'm just gonna tear off or cut off the first part of the cucumber right here. Grate the cucumber. Yeah, get it, hit it. It really only takes like 30 seconds to do. Be careful as it gets to the end though, don't hurt your hand. Then you get all this amazing grated cucumber. Make sure to get all of it out of the inside of the grater as well. So what I like to do is put it in a paper towel and then just soak out the extra moisture. You guys can either put it in a trash can or right on the cutting board. There won't be like that much. Perfect. Toss the grated cucumber in a bowl, making sure you're not getting paper towel in your salad. Beautiful. Look at that. Okay, so now, would you listen to that? That is actually my alarm to take my vitamins. I always forget to take my vitamins if I don't do it in the morning. So I want to actually talk to you guys very quickly before I finish this recipe about Nutrafol and why I love it so much. If you guys follow me on Instagram or have seen previous YouTube videos, I've actually talked about it before. And I've talked a lot about hair health over the course of the last 2 years on my social media because I've had a little bit of struggles with getting my hair to be healthy again. I have gone in and out of acne medication and birth control, and it's really, really messed up my hair health. And I didn't really realize that some of the medications I was taking were really, really impacting my hair. And so after taking a few months of Nutrafol, I feel like I finally have my old hair again, like when I was like 20 years old, and I'm like just so happy about it. Nutrafol targets the 5 root causes of thinning: stress, hormones, environment, nutrition, and metabolism. It is the #1 dermatologist recommended hair supplement, which is key. And in a clinical study, 86% of women actually recorded within 6 months they had healthier hair with Nutrafol. So I have a super amazing deal for you guys. If you guys want to try it, if you guys are struggling with your hair health, I got you. You can grow thicker, healthier hair and support our show by going to Nutrafol and entering the promo code AustinAF. And with that code, you are saving $15 off your first month subscription. That's why I also love it so much. It is a subscription, so don't forget to take it every month. It's a really amazing deal, and it's only available to US customers for a limited time, so make sure you guys check it out. Plus, free shipping on every order and $15 off. That is Nutrafol.com, Nutrafol.com, promo code AustinAF, and cheers to hair health. Back to the recipe now. We have our grated and drained of the moisture cucumber right here. Now I'm gonna take a cutting board, cut a lime. You need 1 whole lime for this recipe. And then you're also going to need about 2 tablespoons of mint. I'm actually gonna finely dice it. Like I said in the beginning of this video, mint and cucumber and watermelon are just amazing summer staples for any recipe. I feel like a really good recipe, if you guys are looking for other types of inspiration, would be a watermelon, cucumber, feta, mint salad. Sounds so freaking good, so summery. So I'm gonna toss in this mint right here. And then I'm gonna squeeze these limes in. Perfect. Then for the sauce, it is a little Asian style, not too strong of a flavor at all. And again, this is good for meal prep too, if you guys want to keep it in your refrigerator. So I'm gonna do a little bit of sesame oil, a little bit of soy sauce, just for good salty flavoring. I love garlic powder in this. You guys can also do garlic paste or fresh garlic, works amazing. Red onions diced. You don't want too many. very overpowering flavor, so just a little bit. And then what I absolutely love in this is a little bit of chili oil. I love to get the crunchy chili oil from Trader Joe's. You guys can really use any chili oil in this. And you need it just a little bit. Let me tell you, a little goes a long way. It's really spicy, so make sure it's to your spice liking. The more you use, the spicier it's gonna be. Last but not least, a little bit of sesame seeds. It is looking so good, it smells so good. Again, it's a very light salad. You don't need a lot of dressing. It carries a lot of flavor throughout the mint, the red onion, the cucumber, the sesame oil, everything has amazing flavoring, so you don't need much. And look how good that looks, you guys. Let's taste test it. Oh my God, that is delightful. What a really good fresh salad. That chili oil does go a long way. Wow, that's incredible. It literally took me like 3 minutes to make this. What I also would suggest, not only as a salad, but almost like an Asian slaw, which I would love to put over like a chicken rice bowl. It'd be really, really good on that. So make sure you guys try it. And there you go, you guys. Those are 3 different recipes that y'all can make using cucumbers. Kind of a random video, but at the same time, if you're like me and you have cucumbers always sitting in your fridge and you don't know what to do with them besides just putting them in your water, then here you go, some easy recipes. We had a cocktail, we had a snack, and then an amazing salad to make. So make sure you guys try these recipes. Tag me if you guys do. Comment down below what type of recipes you guys want to see next. I feel like all of these were perfect for summer, so if you guys have any other ideas, let me know. I'll recreate them. Subscribe to my channel. Mwah. I'll see you guys next time.